The 2025 Hyundai i20 redefines the standards of premium hatchbacks with its bold and dynamic exterior design. From the very first glance, the striking red color of the i20 immediately captures attention, radiating energy and sportiness. Hyundai has taken a progressive approach with the styling, offering sharp character lines, a wider stance, and a refined aerodynamic profile that gives the car a commanding road presence. Every angle of the i20 is meticulously crafted to reflect modern design language, with a focus on sophistication and youthful appeal. At the front, the new parametric grille dominates the face of the car, finished in a glossy black texture that contrasts beautifully with the red body color. The grille seamlessly blends with the sleek LED projector headlamps, which feature distinctive DRLs, giving the i20 an aggressive yet elegant look. The sculpted front bumper adds to the sporty personality, with stylish air vents that not only enhance aesthetics, but also improve airflow and performance. The Hyundai logo sits proudly at the center, symbolizing innovation and trust. Moving to the side profile, the i20 showcases a perfect harmony of sharp lines and smooth surfaces. The bold shoulder line runs continuously from the front fender to the rear, creating a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. The chrome-finished window garnish and blacked-out pillars give the roof a floating effect, adding a touch of modernity. The 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels are designed to stand out, offering a perfect balance of style and strength. Body-colored ORVMs with integrated LED indicators further enhance the premium appeal. At the rear, the Hyundai i20 continues to impress with its Z-shaped LED tail lamps connected by a sleek chrome strip, giving a wide and planted look. The rear bumper features sporty accents with faux air vents and a dual-tone finish that complements the overall aggressive design. The roof-mounted spoiler with an integrated LED stop lamp not only adds to the sportiness, but also improves aerodynamics. The Hyundai branding is tastefully placed, and the i20 badge reflects the pride of owning a stylish hatchback. The overall stance of the 2025 Hyundai i20 is lower and wider, offering better stability and a more planted look. The proportions are perfectly balanced, giving it a compact yet muscular appearance ideal for city driving and highway cruising alike. Small yet thoughtful details, such as the shark fin antenna, chrome door handles, and neatly integrated fuel lid, contribute to the i20's premium aesthetics. Every aspect of the Hyundai i20's exterior is designed with precision, ensuring it not only looks appealing, but also offers functional benefits like improved aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The bright red color choice highlights every curve and edge, making the car stand out effortlessly in any environment, especially against the clean, white backdrop of a modern showroom. The combination of sporty elements and elegant touches makes the 2025 Hyundai i20 a perfect choice for young, urban drivers who seek style, performance, and practicality in one complete package.